Those lovable Looney Tunes are back with an all-new show written and produced by Copyright Live in association with Invent Creative and Event Solutions. Our latest show features appearances by Roadrunner, Daffy Duck,
You have no chance, Rabbit. Watch these moves.
Wile E. Coyote, and of course, the guest of honor, birthday boy Bugs Bunny.
Hey, what's up, Doc? Are you here for my birthday?
The kids had a chance to meet their favorite Looney Tunes character. And we built a craft area where kids had a chance to show off their coloring skills, build a carrot or some bunny ears, or just chill and watch some Looney Tunes. The Looney Tunes. Beep Beep Birthday.
I love parties, don't you?